Okay, so what do you want me to do?
Okay. Well, I remember I was telling you to go upstairs in the attic
Yeah,
and get that black.
I got it right in front of the door.
Okay. Now you could forget about it, Joe. You know why?
Why?
Because you're not coming up, I'm going to see you downstairs. You know what I mean?
Oh.
I forgot all about it.
Well, I brought you a bag.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, that's what I'm going to use it and put it.
I just make it on time, don't I?
John?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is Gracie. I'm sorry nobody called you to tell you they was in the hospital because there was such a mess over here.
Who's this? Who's this, Natalie?
Yeah.
Oh, how you doing?
Well, who's this, Brad?
Yeah, this is Joe.
Who?
Your brother.
Okay. Oh, Joe. Boy, you sound so far away. I can't even hear.